See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
I'm glad that my video last week has reawakened the Igbo spirit.
Personally,
I am now vindicated.
I don't feel
Hear our
very
real father.
happy because you were not here in the morning. There were several speeches. We listened carefully. I listened to the opening address by His Imperial Majesty, the Oni of Ife. And he was gingering all of us to work as a family, to work as a team, to see Nigeria as one. And then I felt maybe this is good. But when you look at it, this same Imperial Majesty is arranging to confer a very high honor on Sunday Igboho, who in my own part of Nigeria in the southeast, we see him as a counterpart of Nnamdi Kanu. And my brother, fellow royal father, the Imperial Majesty, does not seem to understand the pain in my heart when Nnamdi Kanu is in Sokoto. So, sir, the ball stops on the court. Bring this man out. If we don't want him in Nigeria, return him to Kenya or London, where they took him from.
I am happy that the Igbo spirit is
You see?
Let us balance it. Demand for your right.